Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the last class I discussed about the aldol condensation reaction. In the first one, requirement is alpha hydrogen aldehydes or ketone required. Another one is the dialysate base required. So one of the part is there. Another one is cross aldol condensation is there. That is also important for PUC exam and competitive exam. Cross aldol condensation reaction. Like this cross, what you learn maybe in the biology, hybrid like this formation. Here cross aldol combination. In the previous section we discussed about the same aldehyde. Acetaldehyde taking 2 moles or any ketone taking 2 moles. Now we are taking different aldehydes. Those are having the alpha hydrogen. For example, the basic one is CH3 C double bond OH. This is acetaldehyde. Another one is propanoldehyde CH3 CH2 C double bond OH. Otherwise, IUPAC in this common name. IUPAC name is ethanol. AL. Ethanol. Its name is propanol. Now we are taking two different aldehydes. Before case we took the same aldehyde 2 times. Now different aldehyde. That's what is called cross aldol condensation reaction. Now in presence of dilute NaOH, then what is the product formation possible that we have to observe? In before cases, two aldehydes are combined at alpha carbon hydrogen goes to this aldehyde or this aldehyde. Clear this? Then which is forming a beta hydroxy aldehyde. And if you do, then it is alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes or ketone they form. Now carefully, here nothing is in how much here number 1. Here nothing is in what is the number here 1. It means that is 1 mole. 1 mole means how many molecules? 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. It like this, how many molecules are there? So many molecules are there. That's why now carefully observe what are the product formation possible. In the last class I explained the mechanism also. In that one is enolate is the intermediate. Okay. So what are the possibilities are there here? This carbon hydrogen also can form enolate. This carbon enolate also can form this aldehyde carbon also can form the enolate. Now carefully observe what types of enolate possible. CH2 double bond CO minus with this carbon enolate. If you observe the mechanism, then only you will know this. If you don't know mechanism, what is this also you can't understand it. Okay. Otherwise, in some books instead of enolate, they may convert into carbonate form also. Carbonate what is that? This will becomes to here, this will becomes to here. Then you will get the like CH2 minus C double bond O. On carbon negative charge is present, then it is called which one? Carbon plus anion, carbanion. You may be studying the first year carbocation, carbanion, free radical. These are the intermediates. So anyone they may consider as an intermediate. Okay. If this carbon is a functional group, next carbon is alpha. Then alpha carbon hydrogen loss, then it forms this type of carbanion. If this carbon also is a functional group, next carbon is alpha. If it is lost, then what is formed here? CH3, CH, negative charge, C double bond OH. Here also carbanion can form. Two possibilities are there. Now, carefully observe how many products are possible. Now here how many molecules are there? 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules are present. Avogadro number of molecules. Now, like so many molecules are there, then itself it undergoes self-condensation. Whatever in the last class we discussed is self-condensation or self-aldol reaction. Same molecule participate 2 moles or 2 times. So now carefully observe. CH3 C double bond OH. This is, if like this its carbanion form, same molecule carbanion may form, then what is the I will write this down. CH2 C double bond OH. Actually, what is there here? One hydrogen is there. That hydrogen is taken by the OH minus, then it lost as a water molecule. But if you add that H to this one, this will be converted as a which one? OH, and here bond form. This last class we will learn this. Is clear? Same molecule participate. Then it is called self-condensation or self-Euler reaction. Condensation after water molecule loss. Here water molecule not lost. This self-Euler means same acetyl molecule two times participated. Otherwise, this aldehyde react with this. Then what is the product form? CH3 COH. Carefully observe, this molecule can form like this carbon ion CH, C double bond OH, CH3. Clear? Actually here how many hydrogens are there? 2. One of the hydrogen added here, this is, then like this. Now this is called cross product. This is self, same molecule participated. Here different molecule participated. That's what is called cross Euler reaction. Now, with respect to this molecule completed. Now, if it is CH3, CH2, COH, this particular. Now, if it forms itself, it means self-Euler reaction. Then CH, C double bond OH, CH3. How many hydrogens are there here? 2. One of the hydrogen added will here and here bond. Now this is a which type of product? This is self-Euler product. Same molecule participated. Next, if it is react with this one, before this is react with this one. Okay? Then you may ask the question: if first molecule react with the second one, second molecule react with the first one, same doesn't? But product is different. You observe that. Because if first molecule react with this one, that can form carbon. If this molecule react with this one form the carbon like this. So that is a difference. Okay? Now, carefully observe CH3, CH2, C double, one O will be left, O, and this is H. Now this molecule react with this, that is the carbon ion. Then I will write here CH2, C double bond OH. Actually, how many hydrogens here? 3. One of the hydrogen added here and here bond. Now this is the product. So this is which type of product? Self or cross? Cross product. Okay, this is called cross Euler condensation product. When you take the different aldehydes or ketone, we will get the mixture of product. This is a mixture total. All this form in the reaction result. All will form. When all will form, we have to separate it individually. This is separate. Then only we will get a better product. If we cannot separate, this reaction is not useful. Yes or no? When you are going to prepare any one of the compound, along with this some other compounds are formed, and that we cannot separate, then what is the use? Nothing. That's why when you separate this all compound, then only this reaction is useful. Then now we can ask the question, can we separate this compound? Then we have to check how many carbons are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are having 1 or 2 carbon difference are there. When 1 or 2 carbons are different, their physical properties are nearly same. Their boiling point or melting point or any solubility like this all are nearly same. When nearly same, separation will be difficult. Yes or no? For example, you may be studied the Woods reaction. In Woods reaction, what will form? Symmetrical alkane will form. Along with that, otherwise this one also may be studied. Halogenation of or chlorination of methane. In the termination, what will form? Ethane also form, methyl chloride also form, and chlorine also will form. When anyway in Woods reaction, any such type of reaction, when mixture of product will form, such type of products, this separation will be difficult because of their boiling points or melting points or their physical property like solubility will be nearly same. When nearly same, separation will be difficult. When separation is difficult, that is not useful. So this cross Euler reaction also not useful that much compared with the self. Self is better than the cross. Okay? Why cross is not better than the reason? Separation is difficult. That much only you have to note. Remaining what is nothing. But in PUC exam they are asking this question. Write the cross order combination reaction. This is no need to write. All these products you have to write. Acetaldehyde react with the ethanol react with the propanol in presence of dilute NaOH. It gives the 4 products. No need to write self, cross, self, cross. This is for your understanding purpose. I explain this. You just write these products. Total how many product form? 4. If this question only in competitive exam will ask. Now the question is ethanol and propanol react with the NaOH. Total number of product. How many total number of product possible? Then your answer what is it? They may be given like this. Option A 4, option B 6, option A B C this is 8, option D maybe 5 answer. Like this given. Then your answer what is it? Here appearing. How many are appearing? 4. But 4 not. Why? Sir, you only told that 4 but you are not telling this is no answer. This is not correct. Reason is we have to find out anywhere its chiral carbon is present or not. If chiral carbon is present, its mirror image also will present. That also we have to count. Now 1, 2, 3, these 4 groups are different. It means here chiral carbon is present. Yes sir? This is there, its mirror image also is there. This is we counted, but its mirror image is not counted. So 1 extra is there. Now we can just observe 1, 2, 3, and 3. This is 4. So it is also which one? Chiral carbon. Here also chiral carbon is there or not? Check. This hydrogen is separate. This group separate. This group separate. H separate. This is totally separate. Then here also what is that? Chiral. Yes sir. If it is RR, it means R config as somewhere I explained. If you don't know, just cancel. This is absolute config, like cis and trans type. RS configuration also is there. So R configuration, both are R configuration mean its mirror image which one? S configuration. If it is R, this is S, then its mirror image also will be there. If it is yes, if it is R, its mirror image also is there. So like this cancellation is difficult for your competitive exam. That's why at home only you have to practice this. I know RS nomenclature and I will find in the examination. For this question you will take nearly more than 10 minutes. For one question only 10 minutes and it is difficult. So you have to practice this. Okay. Now here also chiral carbon if you write a separate 1. This is also chiral carbon. 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, all are different. Here also chiral carbon only 1 is there, remaining not there. So it's mirror image. And here how many mirror image possible? Different mirror image possible. Here 4 possible. If it is there, it is already counted. R mean yes is there, it's mirror image. If it is R yes mean another yes R is there. If it is yes R mean it's R yes is there. Total how many mirror image? 3. R mean yes 1. R yes means yes R 2. Yes R means R S. Total 3. Got? But confusion is there. I will write here. I will all count here. R is there means yes mirror image, and R yes mean here yes R mirror image. Yes R mean R S mirror image. Yes mean R mirror image. Like how many are possible here? 4. Here R, then it is yes, only 1 possible. Okay. Next, here same like this 4 possible. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here 4 possible. Here 4. Here 1. And here how many possible? 1. It means here R is there. And here yes. So 1 plus 4, 5, and this 4. 9 plus 1.
10.
Option order. Even I also don't know. Directly I just written here. So right here this is 10. That thing is correct. So this is a competitive exam questions. This is only PUC level question, but from this they will extract the concepts. Anything is concrete part not there. Whatever we got the product, from that only how many product possible they will ask. That is the concrete part. Now this is which one? All down. Next, condensation product will on heating it lost water molecule. On heating it lost water molecule. See, on heating it lost water molecule. And also check when you are writing the product, always you have to check whatever you wrote the product correct or not. How to check? The formed hydroxyl group should be at beta position. Functional group alpha, beta. That is all you have to check. Otherwise, compulsory it may be wrong also. So now alpha, beta, unsaturation product we have to write. Because condensation product means what is the way unsaturation is possible? Alpha and beta position. So now here OH, here H. Then CH double bond, CH, C double bond O, H. Now the question again. For this, only for this reaction, not remaining, only for this reaction. How many products are possible? Like this question they will ask. Here anywhere chiral carbon appearing? No. Then any other possibility is there? But cis and trans possibility is there? No? See how it is cis and trans possible? C double bond C, here H, C double bond H. This is which one? CH. To the double bond, similar groups are same sign. Says if H is up, this earlier group is down, that time what is possible? Trans. So how many products possible? 2. What we learn in the first year, again we have to apply it in the second year. That is only the competitive one. So here 2 products. Then you also imagine here how many possible. I will not explain here, you just imagine. Okay. So remaining product you have to write. Always here water molecule loss delta and minus H2O, and here delta minus H2O. You know that where unsaturation possible, alpha beta position, unsaturation possible. Already removed here whatever you have to just write the multiple bonded compound right. This is the same. There also EZ possible or not check. EZ means what is cis and trans. EZ nomenclature already told in the initial of this chapter. Okay. This is a cross all product. Now the question. So this is already told that this is not useful because mixture of product form. If mixture of product form separation is difficult, separation difficult means that is not useful. Then how we can do better for this reaction? Any better way is there or not? We have to check. So what is the better way in here? See. One is what we call benzaldehyde. What is this? Benzaldehyde. Another one is acetaldehyde. This is NaOH, dilute NaOH. Now the question, which one having the alpha hydrogen, which one do not having the alpha hydrogen? This is functional group. Next carbon is alpha. Alpha carbon hydrogens are alpha hydrogen. So here alpha hydrogen is present. Here this is a functional group. Here this carbon is alpha. At alpha position hydrogen present or not, we have to check. How to check this circle or this ring? Nothing but meaning what is? This is its meaning. Carbon valence how much? 4. This carbon valence is 1, 2, 3, 4. It means here there is no hydrogen. So it is no alpha hydrogen only here. No alpha hydrogen. Here alpha hydrogen present. So actually how to do this reaction is, take the test tube for example. This alpha, no alpha hydrogen aldehyde to this base. This is the base, NaOH. First we have to take which one? No alpha hydrogen aldehyde and base. To this, slowly we have to add alpha hydrogen content aldehyde. Then what is the use, you may ask? If you take already this aldehyde and this one base, alpha hydrogen content aldehyde and base, then what will happen? It form carbanion number of, or this carbanion itself undergo self-condensation like this. Because acetaldehyde, acetaldehyde both can form this one also. That's why what we have to do for this no alpha hydrogen aldehyde and base. Slowly we have to add one drop this alpha hydrogen content aldehyde. That time it form carbon and immediately react to this. If you take initially this is only, it may undergo self condensation or self aldol reaction. To avoid that, we have to add slowly alpha hydrogen content aldehyde. If we add initially, this type of product form. If this type of product form, again what is formed here? Mixed of product. Mixed of product we don't want. So slowly we have to add. That time this reaction is useful. Cross aldol reaction. Otherwise, no use. Okay. So now what is the product form? Anyway, this one do not form carbon and like intermediate because alpha hydrogen not there. For aldol condition, which is required? Alpha hydrogen content aldehyde required. Here alpha hydrogen not there. So it do not form any intermediate. Compulsory this one only will form. Then what is the product form? Just observe. Double bond COH. This aldehyde. This is form carbon and CH2C double bond OH. Here actually how many hydrogen? 3. One hydrogen add here. Bond. This is a product. Here one product only possible. Two product not possible. When if we add this is latter. If initially add two product form, one is self product, another is cross product. Then you may ask the question. In examination, how we will identify sir? It is latter added or before added? Yes or no? That is also the question. Generally, we want the major product. It means desired product we want. Undesired product we don't want. So undesired product we don't want in examination what we have read, it form only one product. Because generally in any books they are given in the reference book, it is latter added. But in some our local publication book, if you observe, it gives a two product. They don't know what is the exact meaning. That's why they will write the two product. But actually, how many product possible? One. That's the answer. So keep in mind, cross aldol condensation product possible when one having the no alpha hydrogen and then having the alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen content aldehyde we have to add slowly to this aldehyde and base mixture. Then only it is desired product form. Otherwise, there is mixture of product form. But PUC exam, this will not ask. This is asked because it is present in the text. That's why we have to practice this four product how it is possible. Okay. Now this part is remembered. Another is intramolecular aldol condensation. Like so many examples possible. For this only I will teach nearly more than one period. But I am stopping here because exact concept I explained here. So next one is intramolecular aldol reaction or condensation reaction. See, keep in mind here what I am writing. Condensation when it is possible on heating. If you not write the condensation also, it is intramolecular aldol reaction because that you are not heating, only up to aldol product. Condensation when it is on heating water molecules, that time only you have to tell the condensation reaction. That is also very important. If you are not reading that sentence, whatever given in the exam question, aldol or condensation product. Condensation means after water molecules. Aldol means before water molecules. That you have to observe. Okay, now here. Double bond OH. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the name of this compound? How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane. Here E will be retained when more than one functional group is there, same functional group. Here E not there, that is wrong. That is also kept out. Small, very important. These are in complete exam purpose. They will give the four options which are the correct name. Here without E they will give, with E they will give, are both correct or none. Like this option also they will create. Pentane di-R. Pentane di. 2 times is there. Okay. Now, we have to do the intramolecular. Intra means what is that? Intra meaning what is it? Within. You may be studied the intramolecular hydrogen bonding, intermolecular hydrogen bonding in the chemical bonding chapter. Yes sir. So now intra meaning what is within. Inter meaning what is in between. These two hands separate. In between this inter. Like this linkage is called intra. This is inter. Okay. So here within the molecule this reaction occurs. Now here how much is there? 1. 1 is the mean what is I told you here number of molecule. 1 mole of molecule. So 1 mole of molecule present mean it can react like this self-condensation was possible. Like this 1 more molecule react with this. Here acetaldehyde react 2 times and form this product. Then here also like this pentadiol react also. That is called what is that? Inter. But why we are preferring intramolecular only? Why not intermolecular? That is also the question. Isn't it? But always when like this possibilities are there, intra is win over the intermolecular reaction. Reason, so they are near this particular reaction possibilities. If inter is there, they are somewhat distance maintained and reactivity somewhat decrease also. That is one of the concept. Another one is that is also explained based on the thermodynamics. There is entropy factor and enthalpy factor also involved. That's why always keep in mind when like this possibilities intra, not only in this order, anywhere in the organic chemistry, intra and inter if it is present, which is win first, intra only win, intra only participate in the reaction than the inter. That is the answer. And keep in mind here, then in intramolecular organization, when it is reacting, it forms ring compulsory. Because within the molecule compulsory it forms the ring. So this ring is generally possible 5 or 6 membered ring is possible. This 5 or 6 membered ring is possible. Less than this, whatever this 3, 4, not possible. Greater than this 7, 8, that is also not possible. Again, why not possible? Again, it explains based on the entropy and enthalpy. That is the concept. So always this organic chemistry depends upon the main chapters are two. One is thermodynamics, another is chemical dynamics. Sometimes equilibrium also involved. But many of the lectures also will not include that concept. But always any explanation is based on these three. Equilibrium also and chemical kinetics, thermodynamics. Carefully observe. In all of conditions, what is required? Alpha hydride. Functional group alpha. Functional group alpha. Yes or now this alpha hydride may attack here or this alpha hydride may attack here. Anyway, both sides is same only form here. For example, I want to take this alpha hydride. H the double bond O H. Here carbon form like this carbon. Okay, this carbon attack here. According to mechanism I am writing here. H double bond. How many member ring this is? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 member. We can give numbering for our understanding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 is attacking to 5. This is 2 carbon. This is this one 5. This is 3. This is 4. 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At 5, what is the here? O minus. This is O minus. Later we take the H. Then I will remove this and H. Already we studied mechanism. So this is formed. Now observe. 3, 4. Possible ring? That's why this product is not possible. Okay? Because I want to explain first which is not possible, then only possible. Next one, we will go for the one more carbon increase. What is the one more carbon again? Double bond H 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take dilute NaOH or KOH. Carefully observe. Here